Hello and welcome back everyone to our another episode of Core Data Services. And this is going to be one of the interesting session here where we are going to discuss how we can create a CDS view with association with another CDS view which already exists in the system, right? So let's start with the introduction part here. And this introduction, yeah, right. So what I am saying here, first we will create one CDS view. First we will create one CDS view, right? So I'm going to create one CDS view, and let's say this is I'm going to give the name here as base CDS view on two tables. This will be uh, my, let's say, Mara and MAKT table. On top of this CDS view, we will create association with another CDS view where we will fetch the data of VBAP table, sales document item table. So sales document item table, right? We will also consume it in our ABAP program, right? This is what we are going to do, right? This is what we are going to do here. So how we will do that? Let's see this part. I will close all the tabs and I will simply create my very first CDS view. So this is my package. I'll go for new other ABAP repository. I will go for data definition here. Data definition. Next, this I will give the name CDS base. This is going to be my base CDS view. So basic CDS view, let it be. Next, I will select my transport request next. And suppose I am going for the my very basic view. So I'll finish it. Here we are required to pass one DDL view name. So I'll give one view DDIC and let's say 16, right? This annotation is deprecated, so there is no need for it. Now, out of it, what I am going to do, I will simply use the data source as material master header table, Mara, and I will implement the inner join with MAKT on Mara.matner is equal to MAKT.matner, right? Once it is done, then we can simply select the columns that we are looking for. So my key Mara.matner as material number, then Mara dot as material type, yeah. From Mara table, I'm also selecting, let's say, industry sector. So MBRSH, industry sector. This also I'm selecting. If you want, we can just check it in our SAP GUI directly here. So we can just go for it. And I will do the same. S11, Mara table. So here I have selected MBRSH. I will also select material group. Yeah, these are the things I'm selecting here, right? Once it is done, we can go for MAKT table. So MAKT dot, let's say, language key. I believe we have the language key in MAKT. If you want, you can check it directly here. Language key and material description. So SPRAS as language key, language key, and then we can give the material description. This is my basic CDS view, right? I will activate it, and then I'll check the output. So run as ABAP application. I'm getting all the output, right? So this is my very first CDS view, ZCDS base one. I need to implement the association, correct? So this becomes my base CDS view. Now on top of it, I will create my another CDS view, right? So my package, new data definition, next, and this will be CDS consume CDS. So we are going for add association of one CDS view on top of another CDS view. Next, and I will select it and finish. Yeah, this annotation again, it is not mandatory. I'll give the DDIC view name here. So DDIC, let's say 17. So we are about to consume one here, right? So what was the requirement? This CDS view will be fetching data from VBAP item table. So here I will pass the VBAP table name, and then I'm going to make the association, correct? So I will simply implement the association here. So association to this base CDS view name. So CDS base one, this one, right? And I will give this as a association name. So one alias for it, CDS association on dollar projection dot material is equal to my CDS association. And what is the name of the material we have given there? Material number. This alias name will be used. So copy and paste it. And then we can simply include it. But please ensure that the name of the BBAP maintainer must be material here. So I will use the columns key Veblen add sales document number key item number. So item adds item number, and then maintainer as material. Then I will simply use this association also. So this association, yeah, this association. There is some problem here. It is saying CDS association is unknown obscured by alias. Okay, let me check. Here, Mara Matner, we are using it as material number. Looks good. Okay, why it is saying obscured here? Let's activate it first. Matner as material, yeah. Item number, sales document number. What's the name we have given here? It must be this thing. Okay, let's check it from directly. uh, as CDS association dot. Yeah, name looks good. There is some issue. Mara Matner as. Okay, let's give a different name. I think there is some issue with the name. So this I'll activate it. And then I'm going to consume it here. So this one, we will copy the name and we will simply paste it. Here we can just give vbap.matner. Still it is causing problem. Is unknown. Why it is saying unknown? Association to CDS base one. Select from VBAP and then association to the CDS. Add CDS. Okay. Yes, so yeah. Now it looks good. Let's activate it. So we have here our association name, corresponding column. This column is referring to this particular thing here. Now it is okay. We can simply remove this. Alias name was a little bit big. Now it looks good. So if I go there, change it, activate it here. What's the issue here? Still used in CDS consume. Wait a second. Let me first comment out these things. This one also. I will activate it. I will go back, activate this first. I will come here. I will activate this. So activate. Yeah, it looks good. Let's run it first. So run as a web application. We are getting all the material data perfect. I will go back to my association. This is my association, right? Let's uncomment it. Control 7. This also. Here, comma. Do the activation. Now it is ready, right? Once it is ready, we can simply check it. So run as a ABAP application. And we are getting these three columns, right? These three columns, we can also call the association. Right click on any column, follow association. And this association, we are getting the data from our basic one also. So once it is ready, we can simply consume it in a ABAP program. So new ABAP program. Yeah. So here we can give consume CDS association. CDS view in a ABAP program. I'll give a short description next, my request, and I will create it. So here first we can give select star from our view name. This is my data definition. You can just use it here. Into table add the data LTCDS, and then we can simply use the CL demo output to test it. So it's display method. I will call it, and I will simply send this LTCDS. So let's text activate and then run as ABAP application. This we are only getting the 3 columns if you see here. So how we can change it? We can just pass the column names that we have in this column is sales document number, item number, and material. So sales document number, item number, material, and then we can also call the association. So this is the name of my association. We can use it. We can simply refer hyphen and the column names. So please ensure that to use the alias names here. So material type, and then now I will check activate, and now I will check run as ABAP application. See, we are getting material type. That is how you can simply create a association of one CDS view on top of another CDS view, and then you can simply consume it in a ABAP report, right? So thank you very much for watching. Please do not forget to like and share the video. We will continue from next part. Thank you.